Hello, my name is Elijah Ramos, and today I will be going over math for grades 5th and 6th. I will be covering a wide range of topics in math for ages 5th and 6th, and after each video segment for 5th and 6th grade, the answers will be provided for the work that I have done. Thank you for watching. Alright, so this week what we're going to be working on is long division, which is just short division, but expanded longer with a bigger number. So for our first example, we have 9 divided by 10, 83, 21. So first we would look to see if 9 can go into 1. So since 9 is bigger than 1, it cannot go into 1. So we would put a 0 over the 1. Next we look to see if 9 can go into 10, which it can one time. So we do 9 times 1, which would give us 9, and then we subtract. 10 minus 9 would give us 1. We bring down the 8. So we have 9 goes into 18. How many times? That would be 2. 9 times 2 gives us 18. Subtract. 18 minus 18 would give us 0. We bring down the 3. 9 cannot go into 3, so we would put a 0 here. 0 minus 3 would give us 3. We bring down the 2. 9 into 32 would go in 3 times. 9 times 3 is 27. We subtract. 32 minus 27 would give us 5. And then we bring down the 1 lastly. 9 goes into 51 5 times. 9 times 5 would give us 45. We subtract. 51 minus 45 would give us 6. So our remainder would be 6. So our answer would be 12,035, remainder 6. For our next one, we have 6 divided by 36, 54, 6. First, we have to see if 6 can go into 3. So since 6 is bigger than 3, it cannot, so we put a 0 there. So then we see if 6 can go into 36, which it can, 6 times. So 6 times 6 is 36. We subtract. 36 minus 36 would give us 0. We bring down the 5. 6 cannot go into 5 anytime, so we put a 0 there. 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. We bring down the 4. 6 can go into 54 9 times. So 6 times 9 is 54 minus equals 0. Bring down the 6. 6 goes into 6 one time. 6 times 6. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. We don't have a remainder for this one, so our answer would be 6,091. For the next problem, we have 2 divided by 80, 87, 91, 2. So first, we would see, can 2 go into 8, which it can, 4 times. 2 times 4 gives us 8. Subtract. 8 minus 8 is 0. We bring down the 7. 2 can go into 7 3 times. 2 times 3 would give us 6. So we subtract. 7 minus 6 is 1. We bring down the 9. 2 can go into 19 9 times. 2 times 9 is 18. 19 minus 18 is 1. We bring the 1 down. 2 can go into 11 5 times. 5 times 2 is 10. 11 minus 10 is 1. We bring the 2 down. 2 goes into 12 6 times. 6 times 2 is 12. We subtract. 12 minus 12 is 0. So our final answer is 43,956. And for our last example, we have 5 divided by 798,165. So first, we have to see if 5 can go into 7, which it can, one time. 5 times 1 is 5. We subtract. 7 minus 5 is 2. We bring the 9 down. 5 goes into 29 5 times. 5 times 5 is 25. 29 minus 25 is 4. We bring the 8 down. 5 goes into 48 9 times. 9 times 5 is 45. We subtract. 48 minus 45 is 3. We bring the 1 down. 5 goes into 31 6 times. 5 times 6 is 30. We subtract. 31 minus 30 is 1. We bring the 6 down. 5 goes into 16 3 times. 5 times 3 is 15. Subtract. 16 minus 15 is 1. And we bring the 5 down. 5 goes into 15 3 times. 5 times 3 is 15. We subtract. 15 minus 15 is 0. And since we have no remainder, our final answer is 159,633. I hope this helped you with a better understanding of how long division is worked. Thank you for watching. Alright, so today what we're going to be going over is order of operations. So in order of operations, we follow this sequence called PEMDAS, which stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So when we go to look at the examples, for the first one we have 3 times 12 parentheses 1 plus 2 squared. So we take PEMDAS and we go down the list. So is there parentheses? So yes, we have parentheses, so that's what we would do first. So we have 1 plus 2, which gives us 3. We keep that in the parentheses. Then we have squared 3 times 12. Now we go to the next one, exponents. We have one exponent right here. So 3 squared would give us 9. And 3 times 12. And then now we have the next one, which is multiplication. So we do 3 times 12, which gives us 36. And then lastly, we have more multiplication, which is 36 times 9, which would give us 324 for our final answer. For the next example, we have 12 divided by 4 plus 7 minus 10 parentheses 1. So first we go down our list. So do we have any parentheses? We have 1, so we can do parentheses first. So we do 1 times 10, which would give us just 10, because anything times 1 is itself. So we write 12 divided by 4 plus 7 minus 10. Now we go down. We don't have any exponents nor any multiplication, but we do have division. So 12 divided by 4 would give us 3. Then we have plus 7 minus 10. And now we go any addition. Yes, we have 3 plus 7, which would give us 10. And then lastly, we have subtraction. 10 minus 10 gives us 0. For our next one, we have to look down the list. Do we have parentheses? Which we do right here, but the parentheses, there's nothing inside the parentheses other than 3, so we can leave that there. Do we have any exponents? Which is yes, we have a squared right here, so we take the square of 3, which is 9, and then we write everything, plus 10 minus 2 times 7. Now, do we have any multiplication? Yes, we have it right here. 2 times 7 gives us 14. 9 plus 10 minus. Then we have any division? No. Addition? Yes. 9 plus 10 gives us 19 minus 14. And then we have subtraction. 19 minus 14 gives us 5, which would be our final answer. And for the last example, we have 7 times 4 minus 3 divided by 3. So we do our multiplication first, since there's no parentheses or exponents. So we have 7 times 4, which gives us 28, minus 3 divided by 3. Now we go to our division. We have 3 divided by 3, which gives us 1. So we have 28 minus 1, which gives us 27 as our final answer. I hope this helped you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video once again. And don't forget to like and share this video with your family and friends, and to comment down below on what you'd like me to cover in future videos. And remember to wash your hands, stay inside, and if at all possible, if you have to go out, keep a distance of 6 feet away from others. Thank you guys. See you later.